Yo, what is up, Tube? Today I'm going to show you how to change your Discord tag without Discord Nitro, so let's get straight to the video. Alright guys, so before I get into this video, this is a totally legal way, so this is no illegal in scamming Discord. So for your first step is go to the bottom left so you can see your username, unmute, deafen, and then user settings. You can see my account, and then you're going to go to username, and basically you're going to look at your tag. Mine's is 2266. Basically you're going to write 2266 or whatever your tag is. So you're going to write your tag as your username, type in your password, and now you have changed your Discord tag. So my tag went from 2266 to 3402. So it's as simple as that. You can change your tag, I guess, once a day because there's a change limit like for your passwords. So yeah, it's that easy. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to smash that like button, like this video, and if you really like this content, be sure to comment down below with some more ideas, and I'll be sure to get back to you. Anyways guys, this is the end of the video, and as always, peace out.